I left my girl in Hong Kong in a bar.
I'm a 21-year-old entrepreneur building a portfolio of software companies. This week we're in Shenzhen, China.
Hair danced in the air, skin so fair, eyes so round and rare. I had to get home.
Hey guys, we are here at the Ritz. We're about to meet Yuri, who we started this new SaaS product with. He's a speaker. He's speaking on Thursday and Friday for the conference. He's going to help promote the tool, which is one of the reasons we partnered with him. So we're going to see him soon, but check it out.
Skin so fair, eyes so round and rare.
We're here with the legend Yuri, coming over some final details. He'll be speaking at the conference, and so we'll see how it goes.
Had to get home to cook my potatoes, but I
And then the two legends right there.
wish I didn't have to let her go. Her memory lingers, haunting me still. In my heart, she holds a special thrill.
A little bit in the SEO field, but I do mostly SaaS stuff, so a lot of the people I work with, there's overlap. Beijing. Oh, really? Okay.
You're going to want to add canonicals on the site, but remember, canonicals are, they're not a directive, they're a recommendation. They'll see the no index tag, they'll remove it, and then you plot it in your robots.txt file. You can also use Google Search Console to remove entire pages.
We're here coming through with the GOAT, Yuri Bialik. Yuri Bialik. When you learn your co-founder's name after the product's fully built. Behind the scenes, building in public.
If we can, I don't
getting this up and going. So we had the product and it was doing like $15 per report for SEO agencies, but it's way too high, so we got it down to 50 cents. Now we're going through the final steps, getting it ready to launch so we can promote it more at the conference this week. Let's go.
200 pounds.
I was still getting volume. The wind doesn't care.
Desperate times call for desperate measures. Got to get this deployed right now.
And that's his personal brand and that's his company brand. But because of the genuineness of him.
We're in China right now. Goat Russ right there. Walking around, just killing some time before an event at the conference. And one thing that came to my mind is a lot of people there were thinking that like you have to sort of know stuff and like plan before you do it. But I feel like sometimes it's a lot better to just YOLO things. Because I'm literally in China right now at 20 years old. And when I first thought about coming to China, it was because this guy right here, this guy with the nice hair, he told me he's going to Shenzhen. I heard networking, and I'm always down for networking. So I booked the flight, booked the ticket, had no plans, just thought I was gonna come here and network. But then one of my friends who's speaking at the conference, legend in the SEO space, he was like, hey, let's build this product. And that was exactly a month ago, less than a month ago. And in that time, we've built out a fully working product. He's onboarded 3 agencies as beta users, and everything is just going at an insane pace. Like, none of this was planned 40 days ago. So sometimes just throw yourself in uncomfortable situations and things will happen. So yeah, a little bit behind the scenes. Let's get back to it.
Arms of grace and charm. She held.
Heading to the airport soon, but you know, you have to get this one last time right before the airport. It's too good. It's too good.
It's the best.
You can eat. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Hold me tight like no one can. But
I'm a 21-year-old entrepreneur building a portfolio of software companies. This week we're in Shenzhen, China. Let's see what it's like. Okay, we're making a LLM for SEO's lead magnet.
Yep, we're going to be launching it maybe at the SEO Shenzhen conference. Come stop by.
Today's August 28th. You'll see how fast we ship. Heading out of Shenzhen today. Overall, pretty good conference. Met tons of cool people. Got a few agencies to sign up as beta users for the new product, Growth Magnetics, that we launched with Yuri. So this week, hopefully close some MRR, get some more feedback, on how we can improve the product and just start scaling. Get tons of agencies to use it. Tons of people were saying the market is there. No one's trying to help agencies, which is pretty nice. So yeah, we'll keep you updated. Building in public.
But duty called and I had to leave. Though in my mind her
Truly in
image
China right now.
I had to get home to cook my potatoes, but I wish I didn't have to let her go. Her spirit follows me across the sea. Love as deep as it could be. The streets of Hong Kong have plenty. Without her laughter, life seems empty.